Futures on the US stock indices are trading with an uptick. The US dollar is on track to finish the week with the strongest growth in a month. The Canadian dollar is extending weakness against the US dollar. Bitcoin is trading marginally lower. Futures on the key stock indices perked up. Reports on US retail sales and industrial production are on investors' radars today. This week has been extremely volatile on Wall Street, but is going to close on a quiet note. Futures on the S&P 500 rose 0.2% after a losing streak for 3 days in a row. Perhaps the S&P 500 will be able to show a minor weekly growth since the beginning of the year. Futures on the Nasdaq climbed 0.3%. Recently, investors are alarmed by soaring rates of coronavirus cases. The long-awaited bill on the second stimulus is still an open question. Investors doubt that it will be approved until the presidential election. So the robust economic recovery is hardly possible without the government financial aid. The US dollar is expected to close the week with the strongest weekly gain in a month amid rampant coronavirus rates and the gridlock among US lawmakers. The US dollar's index declined 0.25% to 93.62 today. Nevertheless, it advanced 0.7% since Monday. This is the highest growth since late September. Today, the dollar versus loonie pair is trading high at 1.3200 with prospects for a further uptrend. Bitcoin is trading marginally lower on Friday at the level of $11,300 per token. Analysts reckon that the number one cryptocurrency could rebound on late Friday. According to the CoinMarketCap web portal, Bitcoin is now 0.59% down at $11,336. It shed 0.63% to trade at $11,334 on the Binance exchange. It accounts for almost 58.9% of the whole crypto market. On Tuesday, the cryptocurrency surged to $11,700 for the first time since September 2nd. Later in the week, Bitcoin slowed down its rally and reversed downwards. Today, global financial markets are quiet, trading mixed. The news background does not suggest any market drivers. Investors are still mulling over the same issues as yesterday: fiscal measures to support the US economy, the presidential race, and the coronavirus resurgence in Europe. Today, the US dollar will depend on retail sales data for the US and investors' expectations of further corporate reports by top US companies. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. We'll see you back on Monday.